The Federal High Court in Abuja has nullified the candidacy of 20 members of the Cross River State House of Assembly that defected from the People's Democratic Party to the ruling All Progressives Congress. Justice Taiwo, in a judgment, held that the lawmakers, having abandoned the political party that sponsored them to power, ought to vacate their seats. We have details in this report.
2 weeks after the Federal High Court nullified the candidacy of Governor and Deputy Governor of Ebonyi State over their defection to the APC. Now the Federal High Court Abuja, presided by Justice Taiwo, has again nullified the candidacy of 20 lawmakers for defecting from the party through which they were duly elected. The People's Democratic Party had instituted a suit against the lawmakers over their defection to the All Progressives Congress. In the judgment, the court held that the lawmakers, since they have abandoned the People's Democratic Party, which sponsored them to power, they should vacate their seats. The court also noted that the actions of the lawmaker in challenging the competency of the suit is feeble and constitutes an attempt to pull the wool over the eyes of the court.
This is another major decision upholding our constitutional provisions. The time for, resorting to the rule of law should now actually be welcomed.
Senior advocate of Nigeria, Michael Zekomen, says his client will appeal the judgment promptly.
Under Section 25A of the Court of Appeal Act, to appeal to the Court of Appeal, 90 days. And this being a final judgment under Section 150 and Section 151 of the Constitution, we don't need the leave of the court to appeal. It's an appeal as of right.
Parties that have lost their mandate over the defection of their members who were duly elected by them to political positions will see this judgment as a pathway to seek redress in court. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.